Hey guys, what's up? So today is a vacation vlog. So I've decided to bake a not chunky, chewy cookies. So I'm excited to do this because I'm going to do this by myself and I hope that I can do it right. So let's go. So as you can see guys, these are all the ingredients that I have. I have the 1 cup and 1/3 of flour. And this one is 1 cup of chocolate chip cookie. This is 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. And this one/2 cup of white sugar, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, and I think this is 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And we have 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So here we have 1/2 cup of melted butter. Okay guys, so I'm going to start with my butter here together with white sugar, sorry, you can't see it there, and the brown sugar. Wow! White sugar first together with the 1/2 cup of butter and the brown sugar. So these two types of sugar will give the crisp and the chewy of the cookies that we're going to eat. So together with a spatula, we're going to mix it until it is fluffy. Okay guys, so together with a 1 egg, I'm going to add 1 egg. I'm going to be using this brown egg. Alright. Together with, I'm going to add now the salt. Oh, first vanilla extract. Vanilla extract. So the batter has to be slimy. So as you can see, it's slimy. I got 1 step wrong guys because I'm supposed to put the egg first and then mix it before I put the vanilla extract. Oh no, what could be the outcome of this cookie? It's my first time baking alone guys. I'm so sorry, but I'm trying my best. So as you can see, it's slimy, kind of slimy. Salt, baking soda, okay guys, so the last step will be we're going to put flour and the chocolate chip cookies. So flour first, then the chocolate chip cookies. So you're going to mix it. Mix. Make sure that there will be no excess of flour so that you'll have a delicious cookie. Okay guys, so I'm done with the cookie. So here it is. I'm done mixing all of the ingredients together. And now we're going to put it on this rack. I don't know what you call this. Okay, so I have my ice cream scoop. So I'm gonna use this for the cookie and I'm gonna have at least one scoop. Okay guys, so the cookies are done, but I add a few minutes because I thought that it's not yet cooked. So it turned a little brown, but it's not burned. So I'm going to try it first. I don't know what's the taste guys. I wonder if it's sweet or too much sweet or bitter because I'm afraid that cookies can go bitter, but I hope it's not. So let's try this one. So if you open it, it's really smooth guys. Ayan. Ah! Ayan. So I'm gonna try it because it's a chewy cookie, that's why it's soft. So biting. It's so good. It's not a fail. I'm so happy and relieved. But it's okay. It's a little bit brown.
Another talent of Ramsky.
No, I just tried it for the first time and it's so good, guys.
Okay, next time I want pudding.
Okay, so that's it for today. Bye.